2017 was the hottest year on record for Miami, with 2019 currently ranking as the second hottest with more than 2 months to go. We've seen 115 90-degree-plus days so far this year, and September just entered the record books as the hottest ever. But it's not just Miami breaking records.
Today, in Paris, almost 109 degrees.
France hit an all-time heat record of 114.6 degrees in June. Globally, July 2019 is now the hottest month on record. 18 of the 19 warmest years have all occurred since 2001, with the exception of 1998. We know that our warming world is directly linked to greenhouse gas emissions. Scientists agree that it not only will get warmer, but the heat could be life-threatening.
Historically, Miami has experienced on average only 1 day or so with a heat index above 105. If we don't take any climate action, by the mid-century, Miami could be looking at 60 such days.
Climate scientist Juan de Clet Barreto explains one finding from a recent study from the Union of Concerned Scientists. The study highlights an increase in frequency and severity of extreme heat days in the next few decades if our emissions are left unchecked.
The most concerning finding was the number of what we call off-the-chart days in the heat index, which mean that literally the relative humidity and temperature conditions are projected to become so high if we don't take action on climate change that they are off the National Weather Service's chart for calculating those.
Heat index is the temperature that your body feels if you add humidity levels to the actual air temperature. According to Climate Central, since 1979, Miami has an average of 23 more days per year with a heat index of 90 degrees plus. That number expected to rise in the coming decades. When it comes to the future, it isn't set in stone yet.
We as a society cannot adapt our way out of this problem. So we need to mitigate those carbon emissions, and we need to do it now so that we can avoid the worst.